Hello there YouTube, this is XX Blood Rain, XX, and today we're taking apart a CD-ROM, a normal one that comes out of your computer. This is a older Samsung, and it's kind of old. Front, side view. First you want to start by taking out these 4 screws, there, and there. Power drills will be better.
Watch our other videos, you'll see that we use power drill.
See people in other videos doing like screwdrivers and stuff, but we use a power drill. Faster, and it gets it done a lot faster. And now you pull off the top, and that is
the inside view.
Inside view.
I don't know what to do now. Somehow. So you gotta get the back casing off of it.
You have to get the back casing off.
That's the top.
That's the top, and that's the bottom.
Next, you don't know. So we gotta figure out. Next thing is these clamps.
Next thing is these clamps. There, and there, and there, and there.
Dark with this. You just gotta push them.
You just have to push them. It's not that hard, it's actually simple.
We're not trying to save this, so we're not going to be too gentle with it.
Okay.
Tell them.
And we're not going to be saving this, so we're not really being gentle with it. We don't really need to.
And next, we're going to cut these wires.
And next, we have to cut the 2 wires. Pull them off. And cut that wire, pull out that wire.
They just pull out.
Let's pull out.
That's the front and top piece. Next,
Same as my Xbox.
There's the clamp.
There's clamps there, and there.
Again, you just push those back.
You just push those back
Or down.
or down.
And there's a magnet found in the Xbox 360 also.
There's the magnet found in the Xbox 360, as known. It's a little bit different. A little bit bigger. No, not really a lot bigger. Probably a little bit bigger. It's about the same.
Next,
There's a little screw.
but that's useful.
That's what the little cool things are for.
This is Blood Rain. This is XX Blood Rain.
This is XX Blood Rain. XX.
Don't forget.
Don't forget to rate, thumbs up, and
Favorite.
subscribe. And favorite.
That's our video.
And that's our video.